Hey guys, we're here at this place, and this mall is abandoned. Their place is already damaged and destroyed. And they're going inside to this level. And we're going inside. You're going now. And inside you're here. There's a BLFC Dogland. And you should get in. Yeah, should now let's go take a look at my in here. We're going to the fence inside here. And here we have some ICFC. This one doesn't work. Here, this one. This one is a Marco. Kenmore Bitson. Some HBLS. Some Kenmore Bitson. This one is not a Kenmore Serve. It's a Bitson. And here we are. Things in here. In here. Here. National ceiling fan. In this video, we're going to see there. It's empty. Like this video. And here. Over here. Public food in here. The shopping is abandoned. And here we have the Hunter Sea Airs. This one here. It's like a little bit wobble. This one, the blade looks like this. This one here, this blade is bent. It's swinging. And here, this one, the blade is completely mangled. That one, this, again, this blade is missing. The blade is missing in here. Then here are some another hunter series in here. There are no light kits. This one has a light kit. This one's a no light kit. Hunter series again. Here we have some things. This one's missing the blade. This one has got the balance in here. With the blade like this. This one, the switch housing is missing. Here we have the blade is we have some ceiling fan of here and the hundreds here. Let's go now we're here. This place is broken in here. I'm going to go here. Amico Alaska. It's broken. Then Oops, I'm going to go through this way. And here. This one, there's another Mistral, there's some Mistral air in here. The blade is getting worse. And then they're signing with a tornado to make it like that. Okay. This one here. Here, 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 parking, here, drive, there's a fridge, there's a fridge that's opening here. I don't know, I forgot the name of the fridge that's opening, let's go this way. In there, and then again to them. Here, there's a more there. Here, let's go this way, here, and here. And here we have there's another fridge fan company, the fridge fan company Gustamer. And here the regulators, and we're now this place is big in here. We should go to school. And here we're going to this nature, so this side there's a decker in here. There's another secret level in there. Never mind, we're going to get the last way. Here, and here, I don't know what the hell is. Here might be like this little house here. Don't know the kind of here. I think there might be something like in there. I'll just go there later and we'll see what's in the last parking lot. There are cars, there's no in the top. There's a tattoo. There's a salmon in here. There's a bunch all over the place. We're gonna see in here. Here, nuts and gold. They are company farming stores. Maybe water, water. There are 100 crystal water. It's water. There's a tip to go to them. CFC, I forgot the name of it. And here we have some DEC things in here. In this one, here's a Fuji. In this one, saying Pahaiku. There's a haiku right there. Here we have a Homestead Universal. This is we're going to here. This one. This is for the sun as well. I think we're gonna spin this. We're gonna spin it. We're going to spin this fan. I think and make it more wobble. See, it's wobble. We're gonna try this. Mm, mm, this. Here, here, spinning. That is wobble. This one, no, no, no. He's gonna do so this Nico's Club. Nico's Club. There and here we have some 6 company tiny teams who are unknown. We have these and two these here. These first one is set of Hampton Reef Farmington. This one is set of Farmington Blades. This one is cool. Right here, this one is wobbly. That one the blade bent. This one the blade is broken. And here this one look wobbly. Now we're going to this one. This is placing. What's this one? I'm gonna go for this one. See here, the left in here. In here, this way they are meshes. I'm going to meshes. And they're it's in the haiku. And let's see, there's something sentence in there. Here, this way, say, Siberia. So the lodge in there, and then into space. This space is comfortable. This way, um, here, uh, forum or home air. Like, another bill. There's a bill next to Douglas. And the sign. And then there's a double fence. There's a dual fence in here and there. This in here we have, and here's a DEC princess. It's also spread. Let's mix it in there. Like this, let's make it a mistake. It's a person cute in here. And then I goes on here, then the pillow. And here, and then here, the last but the least. And the last but the least, here we have the GFC White Star Depth Sensitive. Hey, this is fun. Welcome to I hope you guys are on the same thing. Thank you for this video and it's a fun. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. Hopefully we see this in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like and guys and guys. This is the end of this video. Hope you guys look forward to things in this video. Bye bye.